How to upload photos on Facebook business page. It's pretty simple and a quick process, so let's get started with the video. First thing first, head over to the application Facebook and simply log in into your business page. Once you have been logged in, click on your profile. Once you're inside your profile, now in the section of all posts, you can see this icon right here. Click on it. Tap on continue and then click on allow full access. From your gallery, select the picture that you want to upload. Once you've selected, tap on next at the bottom right corner. Now you can enter any of the caption for this picture. Once you've entered the captions and once you are ready to post, click on next at the top right corner of the screen. Now you can also change the post settings from here. Once done, click on post and then your picture will be posted and uploaded on Facebook business page. So this is simply how you can upload photo on Facebook business page. If this video helped you, give it a like and check out our next tutorial. Thank you. So that's the end of the video. If this video helped you, give it a like and check out our next tutorial. Thank you.